Configure a complete VELUX roof window system for Revit without the usual decision fatigue. Here's what's new. This week we released installation types on VELUX CoBIM, our online configurator for roof window beam objects. Instead of choosing every product detail manually, installation types give you pre-configured systems ready to download. The right window, the right flashing, the right combination based on the most commonly specified options. We designed this for real workflow moments. It's midnight. You need a roof window placed in your model without researching product codes. You're preparing for a client meeting. You need 2 roof windows side by side, correctly configured. You're on site with a fire safety consultant. You need a smoke exhaust unit spec you can trust. Installation types remove unnecessary decisions, so you can focus on designing. There are 11 installation types currently available, organized into 3 groups. Single installations, including standard roof windows, and the 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 panoramic options. Combinations, twin, triple, side-by-side, and combi configurations for when you need multiple windows working together. Special functions, smoke exhaust, and roof access units for technical requirements. Each one comes pre-configured with window sizes, internal and external finishes, flashing, and opening type already selected. Every installation type gives you 4 Revit family options: basic or high level of detail, with either a type catalog or embedded types. Choose what fits your project phase and size needs. You also get a bill of materials as a detailed PDF or an Excel list of product codes and quantities. 2 clicks to specification. You have 2 ways to access VELUX CoBIM. The Revit add-in is optimized for speed, ideal when you're deep in your model and need content fast. The web configurator at cobim.velux.com gives you the same installation types, plus bill of materials downloads in PDF or Excel. We're continuously improving its performance with updates rolling out regularly. Choose what fits your workflow. Try installation types today. Visit cobim.velux.com or download the Revit add-in. Simplified configuration. Trusted content. Ready for your next project.